Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your Google Chrome startup pages so you can customize exactly what opens when you launch your browser. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, open your Google Chrome browser on your computer. Once Chrome is running, direct your attention to the upper right corner of your screen where you'll see three vertical dots. This is Chrome's main menu icon. Go ahead and click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with various options and settings. From the drop-down menu that appears, look for and click on Settings. This will take you to Chrome's main settings page where you can customize how your browser behaves and looks. The settings page is your control center for managing everything from your startup behavior to privacy and security options. Once you're in the settings page, navigate to the left side of your screen. You'll see a vertical menu with different categories. Look for and click on Startup. This section specifically controls what happens when you first open Chrome, giving you the power to customize your browsing experience right from the start. Now, here's where you get to make an important choice. Chrome gives you three different options for how your browser behaves at startup. The first option is Open the New Tab page. If you select this, Chrome will open a fresh new tab page every time you launch your browser, giving you a clean slate to start your browsing session. The second option is Continue where you left off. This is particularly useful if you tend to work with multiple tabs and want to pick up exactly where you stopped. When you select this option, all the tabs you had open when you closed Chrome will automatically restore when you reopen it, saving you the hassle of manually reopening everything. The third option is Open a specific page or set of pages. This is perfect if you have certain websites you visit every single day and want them to load automatically whenever you start Chrome. When you select this option, you'll see two additional buttons appear below it. You can click Add New Page to manually type in the URL of any website you want to open at startup. Alternatively, you can click Use Current Pages if you already have the tabs open that you want to set as your startup pages. This makes it incredibly easy to configure multiple pages at once without typing each URL individually. So go ahead and choose whichever option best fits your browsing habits and workflow. You've now successfully customized how Google Chrome starts up, making your daily browsing more efficient and personalized. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.